OnePlus has managed to create a new culture of launching two flagship devices in a year, and the company has been doing it for a while. Recently, Pat Lau, co-founder of OnePlus, confirmed that they plan to launch a flagship 5G smartphone by the end of the year, saying we are still waiting on the successor of OnePlus 7 Pro. It's safe to assume that OnePlus 7T Pro will be the company's first 5G smartphone. Now, Material Smartphone Insider EVLeaks has posted some sketches of what might be OnePlus 7T Pro. The sketches shows the back of the phone and a huge circle in the middle. It's safe to assume that OnePlus 7 is finally planning to take camera seriously and might bundle the OnePlus 7T Pro with some impressive camera hardware. Unfortunately, the sketches don't reveal much apart from that. The phone is expected to launch this fall, with rumors claiming 15th October as the launch date of the device. Previous rumors even claimed that the global launch of the device will happen in India, followed by a launch event in Europe and the US.